All right, fellas, kit for the day is my bow and arrow. This one's one that's, I forget what it's called. Shakespeare Archery. This thing pulls about 55 pounds, just got a new string for it. They straightened it out for me, did a good job. Why this versus something else? I know that ammo in a weapon is certainly one of those things that you need to replenish. These, I can make these as opposed to lead and brass, if you know what I'm saying. But this is certainly one of those that I can make one of these in the wild, not a problem. Make cordage for it, and then the arrows are something you can make, river cane, etc., etc. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, Papa Bear out.